Look around you. The world is being rewritten, and much of the ink is poured from concrete and steel. I'm here to pull back the curtain on the most astonishing engineering feats you'll see this decade. These are not just projects. They are physical answers to impossible questions. Today, we dive into the heart of China mega construction projects that are literally moving mountains and taming rivers. How do you run a train under a raging river? Can a bridge spin into place? Stay with us to find out. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for the latest on the tech reshaping our world. Imagine a mechanical earthworm, but one as wide as a 5-story building is tall. That's the Navigator. This beast just chewed through 10 kilometers of earth under the mighty Yangtze River. It did this in one go. This is a key piece of the puzzle for China mega construction projects. The goal? A tunnel for bullet trains to zip under the river at airplane speeds. Its smart brains use digital twins and advanced geological forecasting to navigate tricky riverbed muck. Think of it as a super smart GPS for digging. With less than a kilometer to go, this technological breakthrough is almost done. It shows how infrastructure development is going deeper than ever before. This machine represents a leap in tunnel boring technology, setting global standards. Its success paves the way for more ambitious underwater crossings worldwide. Forget roads for a minute. The real action is on the water. China is accelerating the revival of its ancient inland waterways to build faster, cleaner, and cheaper transport corridors. At the center of this shift stands the Pingloo Canal, a 134-kilometer mega construction project that reshapes regional trade. This modern waterway forms a direct route from inland production zones to deep-sea ports. It connects smoothly with ASEAN markets, creating a faster export path for factories, farms, and logistics hubs. This regional connectivity project transforms how goods move. Ships replace trucks. Water replaces fuel-heavy highways. The result brings lower shipping costs, reduced emissions, and improved delivery speed. Heavy cargo such as coal, steel, grain, and industrial materials now travels in larger volumes with less energy use. This shift builds a powerful logistics network upgrade that strengthens supply chains across southern China and Southeast Asia. The canal cuts through mountains, rivers, and dense soil layers. Engineers use advanced excavation tools, reinforced concrete systems, and multi-level locks to control water flow. These structures manage elevation changes while maintaining safe navigation. Each lock chamber supports large cargo vessels, allowing steady traffic throughout the year. Precision engineering ensures long-term durability and flood control. Beyond transport, the project reshapes economic patterns. Industrial parks rise near ports. Warehouses expand along shipping corridors. New trade hubs emerge. Local communities gain access to jobs, faster markets, and modern infrastructure. This canal also reduces pressure on crowded highways and rail lines, easing urban congestion. Building through a national nature reserve is a delicate dance. The longest tunnel in Hainan just finished its two-way dig. Stretching over 8 kilometers, it cuts straight through a mountain heart. This major infrastructure project had to respect its home. The ecological protection measures here are as important as the engineering marvel itself. The tunnel strengthens the island's road network. It also supports the busy Hainan Free Trade Port. This proves that progress and nature can coexist. It is a model for future sustainable development in sensitive areas. Special vibration and noise controls were used to protect wildlife habitats. Construction waste was carefully managed and removed to prevent contamination. A brand new tunnel now snakes under the famous Qiantang River. This is not for cars. It is a dedicated passage for 350 km/h trains. This exciting project is a critical link for the Hangzhou Airport rail line. It brings the entire system closer to completion. Transportation corridors like this shrink distances for millions. They turn long trips into quick commutes. This tunnel is a hidden strand in the vast web of China mega construction projects. It shows how modern engineering solves urban congestion from below. Building under a powerful tidal river required specially reinforced tunnel segments. Engineers constantly monitored for water seepage to ensure perfect structural integrity. The tunnel will enable a direct, high-speed link between the city center and the international airport. This integration is key for modern, multimodal travel hubs. It exemplifies how urban infrastructure is being built in 3 dimensions. A bridge is only as strong as its building blocks. The Changtai Yangtze River Bridge just passed a huge test. A massive 2,000-ton crane worked for 8 hours on its deck. This load test proved the bridge's structural integrity. This bridge is a linchpin for the Yangtze River economic belt. It is a comprehensive 3-dimensional transportation corridor. That's a fancy way of saying it moves people and goods in every direction. Such large span bridges are the knots tying the country's infrastructure network together. The test simulated decades of wear and traffic stress in just 1 day. Sensors collected millions of data points on strain and deflection. This data ensures the bridge's safety and longevity for a century of service. The structure combines road and rail decks, a highly efficient engineering design. Its completion will relieve congestion on nearby crossings, streamlining regional logistics. At a dizzying 4,400 meters, the sun feels different. Here, 2 giant solar stations just plugged into the grid. They are part of the planet's largest clean energy base. Together, they will generate billions of kilowatt-hours yearly. This renewable energy powers a medium-sized city. It also cuts massive amounts of coal and CO2. The solar panels are raised high off the ground. This clever design lets yaks graze below and protects the soil. Using a giant dam to smooth out power, this hydro-wind photovoltaic system is genius. It sends steady, clean power to energy-hungry regions far away. The high altitude offers stronger sunlight but poses extreme challenges for workers and equipment. Special frost-resistant and durable materials were used for construction. This project is a perfect model for agrivoltaics, where energy and agriculture share land. Linking Xi'an to Hainan by high-speed rail was a nightmare. The Loess Plateau is soft, unstable, and prone to collapse. Over 91% of the new line is bridges and tunnels. Engineers used 3D remote sensing to map every risk. They built to overcome the geologically complex ground. Now, a trip that took hours takes about 1. This engineering feat does more than move people. It opens new development opportunities across a challenging region. It is a direct line to economic growth, laid over one of the toughest landscapes. Special techniques like soil compaction and chemical reinforcement stabilize the Loess. Bridges are built on deep pylons that reach stable rock far below the surface. This railway connects historic revolutionary sites, boosting red tourism. It brings modern mobility to communities long isolated by difficult terrain. It symbolizes the triumph of determined civil engineering over nature's obstacles. This sounds like science fiction. A massive high-speed railway bridge was recently spun into position. Over 67 minutes, it smoothly turned 60 degrees. It docked with millimeter-level accuracy. This rotation process removed a key obstacle for a new rail line. Once done, the Hefei-Wuhan trip will be cut in half. This precision engineering saves time and reduces risk. It shows the innovative methods behind today's China mega construction projects. Sometimes you don't build in place, you build nearby and swing it right in. The bridge was built parallel to the existing railway to avoid disrupting active train service. The Qinling Mountains are a giant wall. Now, a powerful energy expressway crosses them. China's first north-south 750 kV power line here is complete. This ultra-high voltage transmission project spans 459 tough kilometers. It crosses uninhabited and heavy ice zones. It will boost local power supply capacity by a quarter. It will also cut millions of tons of CO2 each year. This power corridor is a key initiative for the national grid. It connects regions and feeds green energy into the unified market. It powers development without the pollution. Towers were erected by helicopters in the most remote sections, protecting the fragile ecosystem. Progress is measured in giant steel blocks. The first steel box girder for the Xiamen-Kinmen Bridge is now set. This piece is enormous, weighing over 4,500 tons. An intelligent monitoring system guided its precise placement. The project construction team has a full support system for this cross-sea bridge. They plan to install one of these giants about every week. This maritime infrastructure project started in late 2023. It is a bold step in linking communities across the water. What if you could snap a building together, like Lego? That's the idea behind prefabricated construction. A new 50-meter superfactory in Shenzhen will make building parts. Almost 90% of a wall, with pipes and wires, is finished inside. Workers then just assemble the pieces on site. This construction method builds momentum across China. It is faster, cleaner, and reduces waste. It is the industrialized building secret behind many modern infrastructure marvels. It turns construction into a precise manufacturing process. The factory uses robotics and automated production lines for incredible consistency. This drastically cuts down on construction, dust, noise, and site debris in cities. Western China's rugged mountains just got a new neighbor. A brand new high-speed railway bridge now stretches across a challenging region. Large-scale machinery was key to building it fast. This efficient construction significantly shortened the project timeline. Such transportation infrastructure in tough areas is vital. It links remote places to the national network. It brings opportunities to every corner of the country. This is the persistent drive of China mega construction projects, reaching even the most difficult terrain.